In this video, I will show you how to recover your lost WeChat account with WeChat official request form. Let me show you how. First thing first, you want to make sure you open up your browser, and I'm going to use Chrome browser. So open up your browser. After you open up your browser, click on this plus sign right here to create a new tab. And the next thing you want to do is to click on search Google or type. Then go ahead and click on here, and then you want to make sure you type WeChat and hit enter. Then go ahead and click on this first result right here, which is WeChat.com, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down all the way down, and then go ahead and click on Safety Center. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Safety Tools. And the next thing you want to do is to simply click on here. Then choose Account Recovery. So here you go. Then scroll down right here and make sure you read details about account recovery as prescribed by WeChat right here. It's about 3 steps right here. By the end of the day, if you cannot recover the WeChat account back after you follow the 3 steps by WeChat, all you have to do is to send a feedback to the Help Center. For that, go ahead and click on Send a Feedback to us in the Help Center. And it's going to load up right here. Click on Platform right here. Make sure you use the device that you use to log in your WeChat account, whether it's Android phone or iOS or Mac or Windows PC or on the web. Choose any of the platform related to your WeChat account login activity. Next, for instance, if I'm using Android phone to log in my WeChat, I'm going to simply select Android phone. When you select your platform, click on region right here. A region is also known as your country. So from the drop down right here, select whatever related to your country right here. So at the time of making this video, these are available countries that can use WeChat right now. So go ahead and look for your country, enter your country. Once you enter your country, next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and select category. Then go ahead and select category right here. So under the category, state the issue you are having with your WeChat account. So in this regard, go ahead and click on Unable to log in. Having selected Unable to log in, go ahead and select the next options right here. And the next thing you want to do is to make sure you upload the screenshot of your login page in your phone. Go ahead and upload the screenshots and then enter a detailed descriptions right here. Then scroll down right here. Then choose the means they can contact you. Since your WeChat account has been locked out, you are not advisable to choose these options. Simply choose email address. Enter the email address and then make sure this is checked. Lastly, go ahead and click on here to accept the terms of everything. Then scroll down right here and submit your appeal. Within 24 hours, WeChat team is going to get back to you about your account resolution. And they are going to send a link solution to your email address that you provide. And you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this about how to use your WeChat app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.